In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1095A on TurboTax. If you bought health insurance through the marketplace, you likely received Form 1095A. This form is essential because TurboTax uses it to reconcile any advance payments of the premium tax credit and to determine whether you're owed more credit or need to pay some back. Keep your 1095A nearby and enter the numbers exactly as shown. Start by opening the Federal section in TurboTax, then go to Deductions and Credits. This is where health-related entries live. Scroll until you see Health Insurance Marketplace, labeled Form 1095A, and select Add-Edit to begin. TurboTax will ask if you need to report a 1095A. Choose Yes and Continue. If the marketplace ever sent you this form for the year you're filing, you should report it here to avoid processing delays or IRS letters later. Next, TurboTax offers a few ways to add your form: upload, snap a photo, or type it in yourself. For this walkthrough, choose Type It In Myself. Typing it in gives you a chance to double-check each field as you go. Enter the basic form information first. From your 1095A, type the Marketplace Identifier in Box 1 and the Marketplace Assigned Policy Number in Box 2. These identify your policy and help TurboTax link your entries correctly. When you're done, continue. You'll then enter your monthly coverage details. For each month listed on your 1095A, type the amounts for enrollment premiums in column A, the second lowest cost silver plan, often called SLCSP in column B, and the advance payment of the premium tax credit in column C. Some forms include a single all 12 months row. If yours does, you can use that to speed things up. Make sure each number matches your form exactly. Don't estimate or combine months on your own. TurboTax may ask whether your policy was shared with another taxpayer, such as a former spouse or someone who claims a dependent on a different return. Answer yes or no. If yes, provide the shared policy details requested on screen so TurboTax can accurately allocate the credit. Before moving on, carefully review everything you entered. Confirm that every month and column lines up with your 1095A, paying special attention to the SLCSP amounts in column B and the advance credit in column C. Small transposed numbers can make a big difference. When everything looks right, save and continue. TurboTax will automatically calculate your premium tax credit and apply any adjustments to your return, which may change your refund or balance due based on your entries. That's it for adding a 1095A in TurboTax. Thanks for watching.